today I'm going to talk to you about paper versus plastic and deciding which one is actually really the better one out of the two. Which one is better for the environment, basically, is, honestly, paper isn't. Paper is not better for the environment due to the fact that it creates 70% more energy consumption than plastic does. And even though plastic takes in petroleum, paper takes in 4 times the amount of energy than plastic does to create just one bag. It takes in 3 times the amount of water. It is inefficient in recycling, as well as 91% more energy to recycle 1 pound of paper than 1 pound of plastic. It produces 80% more waste, and it has biodegradable difficulties, which means it has a harder time breaking down, and the process is difficult and confusing. I mean, plastic isn't all that good either, but I promise you it does have fewer bad qualities than paper does. One bad quality is the littering, because you can see how it just flies away and is just like, here, I'm on the ground, I'm there to see. And it's a danger to wildlife, because when the plastic bag flies away, it gets wrapped around the animal, and, I mean, it can kill them. It's not that degradable, and it has also recycling difficulties, but with research, it is proven that plastic is better because it doesn't impact the environment as much as paper does. See, in this image it shows that 1 plastic bag is equal to the use of 3 paper bags, 4 uses, 4 bags for life, and 131 cotton bags. So all those bags only equal 1 plastic bag, with how much energy and water it takes to create these bags. The statistics have shown that plastic only impacts, with a total of 6.46%, and a paper bag impacts with 77.69%. The information found for that was by Kushner 2004. How you can create it? Why you should choose plastic? Plastic is better because, honestly, at a grocery store you should ask for plastic because it has the less chance of energy being used more in it, as well as the fact of the water being used. It's less consumption and all that. And paper takes longer actually to break down than plastic does. So when you do go to the grocery store, ask them for plastic instead of paper. And even though I gave you the disadvantages of plastic, paper does have more, and it's lighter. It's more condensed than paper is. It's cheaper and it takes less energy. Now, here are some images showing you how the atmospheric waste of paper is higher in level than the plastic, and how the waterborne waste is higher in paper than it is in plastic. And 1,000 plastic bags only takes up 1 trash bin, while 1,000 paper bags takes up about 9 trash bins. And it's terrible how much paper is polluting the earth. Even though we think that it's good, we think we should look more into plastic than paper, because, I mean, by this, what are we going to do if we use so much paper that it goes above and beyond the scales and completely destroys the earth? In conclusion, now plastic may sometimes fly away and take risks, but what it wants out of this is to show people its greatness. Now, even though you think plastic takes longer, just remember, in reality it doesn't. Also, paper creates more CO2, and it makes it so that more trees are being killed, while plastic takes less time and it doesn't really take that much trees, and it makes it so that the paper, if we use less paper, will have more oxygen for us to breathe. do you know what you will choose next time you are asked paper or plastic at the grocery store? I hope you do, because you need to think carefully and wisely to decide what you may choose to make sure that less pollution happens.